Welcome to our channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in gaming news of Nintendo Switch 2. Today we got some exciting updates from the world of Nintendo that you won't want to miss. So grab your favorite Halloween treat, sit back, and let's dive into the spooky fun. First up, let's talk about the much anticipated Nintendo Switch 2. Rumors are swirling about a potential release date in March or April next year. This information comes from a reputable source, the CEO of a well-known accessory company. One of the standout features of the new console is the magnetic with a locking system, which promises to enhance your gaming experience with traditional analog joysticks. Additionally, the Switch 2 is expected to be slightly larger than the current Switch OLED model, possibly boasting an impressive 8-inch screen. These upgrades could make the Switch 2 a game-changer in the handheld console market. Next, we have some exciting news for fans. Nintendo has officially announced the edition, set to release on March 20. This edition promises to bring improved visuals and new story elements, making it a must-play for both longtime fans and newcomers. The enhanced graphics and additional content are designed to make the game more accessible and enjoyable for everyone. If you've never played Xenoblade Chronicles before, this is the perfect opportunity to dive into its expansive world. Moving on, let's talk about the new Nintendo Music app for Nintendo Switch Online subscribers. This app is currently available on phones and offers soundtracks from 27 different Nintendo games, with plans for even more in the future. Some of the standout features include the ability to loop songs and extended playtime for selected tracks, allowing you to enjoy your favorite game music for longer periods. However, it's worth noting that the app currently lacks composer credits, which some users have requested. Despite this, the app is a fantastic addition for any Nintendo fan who loves game music. Another exciting possibility is the potential for backwards compatibility with the Nintendo Switch 2. This could mean improved performance for previous games, including frame rate boosts that would make older titles run more smoothly. Imagine playing your favorite Switch games with enhanced graphics and performance. It could breathe new life into your existing game library. Finally, let's address the ongoing speculation about the official announcement of the Nintendo Switch 2. As of now, Nintendo has not confirmed any details, but there's an investor meeting coming up where we might learn more. If there's no announcement next week, it could mean that expectations for a 2024 reveal might lessen. We'll be keeping a close eye on any updates, and we'll share the latest news as soon as we have it. That wraps up our video for today. We hope you enjoyed these exciting updates from Nintendo. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest gaming news. Have a fantastic, and we'll see you in the next video.